This is Rajeswari. I am currently taking training in design verification at Semicon Technolabs, and I want to give a feedback on this training. The classes here are clear and simple, easy to understand. The trainers explain each and every concept very clearly and from basic level to advanced level. The trainers explain each and every doubts with using good examples. And here we can also work on practical applications, and we got tool access to work on to develop test code pages. And the environment here is really supportive, and we can also improve our communication skills and presentation skills. Before joining this training, I have zero basic knowledge on these coding languages. Now I can develop test code, basic test benches for digital electronics. Overall, I am satisfied with this training, and I would like to recommend this Semicon Technolab for anyone who want to join in this VLSI. Thank you.